How to make a book in Canva. First of all, when you're on canva.com, you want to look towards the middle of the screen where it says what will you design today. You want to go ahead and type in book template or even ebook templates into that search. Go ahead and press search on that. Then you'll see a bunch of different templates here. You'll want to click on one of them, it doesn't matter which one, and then click on customize this template, because within there you can change it fundamentally if you want to. You don't need to use this exact template, but you can change it a lot easier within this section here. You can also add pages to the already established pages they already have. You can like copy and paste how the text works, all the different things like that within there. So it makes it a lot easier if you do it this way. You can add in elements, different uploads, pictures, etc. within here. You can do all the customization. And once you're done, click share in the top right hand corner. Click on download. Then you can change it to potentially PDF print or PDF standard, most of you want. Click on download, and then that's how your book created. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.